So I was leaving the gym and I called my husband and he's like, hey, we're actually out of diapers. Can you stop? So we're at Walmart. Let's go grab some diapers. We're only getting diapers. Okay, this is not what I came here for, but I feel like it's my time to try this. I'll let you guys know what I actually think of that. I just sniffed that. That does not smell good. So if you're wondering about that and you saw that Target or Walmart, it's not good. Gotta stick to the plan. Do need scrunchies. Kennedy and I share scrunchies, so they just always go missing, all right? And it's not me who loses them, I'll tell you that much. Okay, focus. In addition to the diapers, Carl asked for some soap, so we need to get that. We need diapers. Get the diapers. Get the diapers and get out. That'll do. Yep. Last year I got a bunch of these for myself, but this year they added in like a third thing. So it's more money because they added in a serum or something, but I'm not going to use that, or like that leave-in conditioner. I'm not going to use it. I saw the shampoo and conditioner, so I'm not getting them. But last year I stocked up on the Christmas sets for myself because it was cheaper to get the shampoo. I just got this the other day, but Carl said to get more. Oh, those Premier Proteins, remember around October? They had the pumpkin spice ones, and I was like, is anyone going to try those and let me know? Because I don't want to buy the whole box, you know? It's kind of like those. I want to try it, but I don't want to buy a whole box. Oh. Ooh. I'm not getting any of it, but it's fun to look. Those white chocolate covered Oreos last year, I got 2 boxes. Carl and I finished them in one night, and then I came back to the store to get more, and I didn't see them for the rest of the holiday season. I don't need them. Tell me I don't need them. I'm sticking to it. I'm not getting them. Oh, look, it's Taylor Swift's boyfriend. I was thinking about getting these for Kennedy, but then I saw these muffin bars. Would get the chocolate chip, but y'all know last time we had chocolate chip muffins in our house, Dexter ate one. We had to go to the vet, so I think we're gonna get the apple cinnamon. Honestly, one of my favorite things to do, like if I have time to myself, is to walk around Walmart because they just have so many cool things that I don't normally get to look at because I usually have 2 kids that are screaming at me. This is actually a really great price for the flour I use for sourdough. I do wish they had it in that size of that one down there, but I'm gonna get this because it's a great price. And I'm not going to tell y'all what I'm doing yet, but I have some big sourdough plans for this weekend because I think I mentioned it the other day, but this Saturday we're doing Thanksgiving with my family, and then on actual Thanksgiving we're doing it with Carl's family. So 2 Thanksgivings, honestly, more fun. I'm all for it. Some salt while I'm here. I'm out of cinnamon, so I'm gonna get a couple of those again because it's Thanksgiving weekend almost. Okay, so this is quickly becoming a little bit more than a diaper run. Oh no. Kennedy absolutely loves these. I'm gonna get a bag. I don't want to hear it, all right? Sometimes that's all she wants, okay? Excuse me, what? I just know that's delicious. I'm not getting it though. I'm just looking at the ice creams. All right, where's the register? Get back to my car now. Turn the heat off. Oh my goodness. Woo! I went in there just for diapers. All right, anyway, hope you guys are having a great night. I gotta go home and cook dinner now that it's 8:49 p.m. And by the time I get home, it'll be 9:15. By the time I get the car unpacked, it'll be like 9:20 something. I don't know. We're eating dinner late tonight. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, love y'all. Bye.